have just hit 100k, and you know what, Savana has sent me their lot of outfits which are like so cute, super Pinteresty, and something that girls are gonna die for. Like actually I'm like super happy. Thank you so much, Savana, for sending in so many goodies. And yes, like I'm wearing this comfy t-shirt from Savana only, and yeah, I really want to give you guys a quick haul so that you guys also know what they've sent me. And if you guys love something that you guys can also order, I'll place all the links in the description. You know what, I just woke up and got this huge Savana parcel, and you know, when I just could not hold my excitement. I have not taken the shower, I'm just into my t-shirt and the pajamas, and I really wanted to share everything with you guys. So let's quickly get started with the haul. Okay, you know what, the box is so huge, so you can definitely get a lot excited, and I'll show you like how many clothes. There are almost 14 clothes, and I'll show all of them to you. Okay, so the first one is this white dress. Guys, when I wore this actually gave, like, this was screaming beach vibes. इतनी ज़्यादा pretty है ये dress, and you know, this is an XS size, and ये बहुत ही, like, the fit is perfect, the quality is perfect, कपड़ा, just look at it, it's giving like, मतलब you know, इस dress ने मुझे convince कर दिया कि पूर्वी, you have to go on a beach vacation. Okay, I'll just wear it and show you to all. Savana did not stop at this dress. They also sent me this very bohemian, very chic, very statement jumpsuit. This is a play suit with a tube neck, and this has got this ruched like upper thing, and नीचे से बहुत ही flowy है. It is so comfy. मैंने जब पहना, I loved it. Like, this is the most favorite piece out of all the clothes that I've received today. Okay, this is again an XS. The quality is, okay, this is just the kind of outfit कि आँख बंद करके खरीद लो. Believe me, you are gonna fall in love with it. Let's quickly try it out. Girls, come back. I know that black jeans might not be a closet essential for you, but look at this top. Oh my god, like perfect bohemian. मुझे उसकी याद आ गई. What was that series? Oh my god, how can I forget that name? I just cannot remember the name. I don't know why मेरी memory loss होती जा रही है. वो जो letter लिखती थी लड़की, and oh god, I'll just, you know, show you. I don't know if you've got it or not. If you have got it, then please comment down the series name. And yeah, this is what the top is, and let me go and quickly wear it because oh my god, this is so good. This is pure cotton, by the way, so summer girlies, this is a must have for you. And I got this in size XS. Yeah, this is XS, and this fits थोड़ा सा loose है upper side में, so you can like order accordingly. Now another thing, I am like totally in love with Savana because they have started making comfiest and Pinteresty pajamas. The one I'm wearing right now, this has got pink stripes with cute bows on it, and this is like super comfy. Another one that I just got right now is this. Look at the checkered print, this cute doggo here, and this lace detailing. Oh my god, like, you know, but iska kapda is a bit, you know, this one, like, it's not cotton, it's, अगर तुम गर्मी में पहनोगे like without AC, I think this ये थोड़ा गर्माएगा, so like buy it accordingly. But the best part is it has got pockets, and ये AC में एकदम perfectly work करता है, so you don't need to worry about that. So yeah, let me just go and quickly try it. Okay, if you are just curious about the sizes, so I wear कमर 26 and upper का top is all XS. बाकी my bust is somewhere around 32. So yeah, like I buy it accordingly. मुझे या तो XS fit होगा, नहीं तो small fit होगा. उससे ऊपर तो I don't go. Only for the t-shirts and sweatshirts I go for medium. So this is the medium that I have got. Okay. course this t-shirt looks super cute. Look at this cute doggy. The only thing I want you alert to guys, ये दिखने में this print is कि ये शायद वो cloth वाला material है, right? मतलब ये जो ऊपर जो print है, but this is plastic. So if you are like someone who doesn't like plastics, then I guess you should not buy this. But this looks super cute. मैंने बहुत सारे shorts खरीदे हैं because of course it's a summer and they are just perfect. Again in small size and okay, and that's how it look. I got it in 3 different colors. One is in white, one is in this black, and one is slate gray. Okay, again like remember the cloth is not cotton, the cloth is not like something to wear without AC. This is a little velvetish kapda which अगर तुम गर्मी में पहनोगे like बगैर AC के then you will feel hot. तो देख के खरीदना, ठीक है? But if you're someone who completely like lives in AC and you know have that lavish life, then definitely it's a must have. बहुत ही pretty लग रहे थे पहनने पे, so yeah, daily use के लिए they are perfect. So guys, I'll tell you one thing, that I was today years old when I came to know that I can rebuild my entire accessory game under just ₹100. Like, can you believe 100? Yes, you heard that right. So basically Savana is having this huge bags and accessories thing, like starting from ₹100. Like, you know what, Savana has just made it's so accessible to have those luxury bags and accessories, have the price tag meltdown at the same time. And guys, itna hi nahi, there are more discounts just for you all. You can use this code that's appearing here on the screen to get extra discount on your purchase. This time Savana has sent me something really good and something I really wanted from a longer time. Like मुझे ना cash and वो छोटे छोटे चिल्लर रखने के लिए I wanted something, and they have sent me this Garfield वाला bag. Oh my god, this is so cute. Just look at it. It has got this tiny space. मतलब अच्छा खासा space है for keeping the cash and keeping the coins. This is so cute. I'm so much in love with it. Okay. The next thing, okay, this might sound sort of weird, but I've got a lot of socks from Savana and they're so cute. I don't know, I'm into cute socks these days. Look at the design, look at the detailing. So yeah, I got a lot of them. And not just these, they have also sent me their scrunchies. Look at the print, it's so cute. Coming on to the last thing, something that is like very viral. Like this bag, I've seen it all over the Pinterest, okay, all over the Instagram. Every creator having it. This very cute strawberry print pink bag. It's a must have, guys. Come on. If you're a girl, you're having this. Isme, like, it's very spacious. You can take it anywhere you want. It has this pocket here. Then the best part is it's zipped. क्योंकि जो tote bag zip नहीं होते, मुझे थोड़ा सा like वो होता है कि सामान, of course it's not safe. And you have got this huge space inside. And इसके अंदर भी pocket है. So it's very good. I love it. This is the bag that I wanted from a really good long years. But Savana has sent me this today and I'm so happy. So I think that is pretty much it. Yeah, मैंने सब दिखा दिया. So yeah, that is it for the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you are someone new, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button because we have just hit 100k and I'm super happy. Just for all, I am going to be mentioning my coupon code here so you can use it to get very good discounts on Savana. So yeah, that is pretty much it and love you all. See you guys in the next video. Bye. And जाने से पहले मुझे बता देना तुम्हें इन सारे haul में सबसे best क्या लगा, ठीक है? चलो, bye.